So handy. Anyway, we're taking off this lip, man. We are finally replacing the lip and putting on a nice, cool, I'm joking, the same damn lip. I just put white pinstripe on it, and we're doing white pinstripe around the whole car. Let's go. This is the stuff that I'm using. I got it off eBay. It's pretty cheap. There's gonna be a link for it in the description below, as always. And for the lip too, there'll be a link, not for this one, the other one. It's the same one. This one's just broken. It won't even focus. There we go. Look at that, little band-aids. I'm not looking forward to doing this because it seems like it'd be really easy, but it's so annoying. Takes forever. Guys, it is so hot. I know when you hear those bugs in the trees, man, you know it's hot as hell. But like, anyway, the trim, it looks awesome. I'm excited about it. I still miss the red, but the white looks good. I feel like you can never notice the black body kit on the car until you have the white pinstripes on. And I already did both sides. Look at that. Even from back here, you still notice it. Yeah, I kind of love it. All right, awesome. We're just gonna put the front lip on and see how that looks now. Oh yeah, and don't forget to pick up all the garbage, because if your girlfriend comes home and sees a bunch of white stuff, well, sees a bunch of shit all over the driveway, she's gonna make sure to let you know. This didn't even go to it, but she'll say it does. So stay clean, my guys. Don't get in trouble by your girls. Don't miss a spot. All right. Look at that. I love it. It looks so sick. Look at the front, bro. Looks so mean. The white instead of the red, I think it's definitely my fave. You guys can see here how it looked before with the red, how it looks now with the white. I went and made the pinstripe go up along the fin. Unlike before, it just went straight across. So it's a little bit of a different look, but I think it looks a lot better. I don't know, you guys let me know in the comments below. What do you guys like more, the red or the white? I think the white was a good choice. That's how it looks from like the back end, the side. Man, allergies are killing me. But again, there will be a link in the description below if you guys want to get the same, you know, the front lip, and there's a link for the side skirts, all the trim pieces and the pinstripe, all that will be in the description below. Just click the link tree. In the link tree, there's a bunch of links. I made it all organized and easy for you guys to just be able to click on the link and buy what you want instead of having to search for it. So just click on the link tree and you'll be good to go. But again, if you have any comments, drop a comment below. And again, I'll see you guys in the next video. God, I can't even talk. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.